Motorola, a wireless device pioneer, is now a Google company, dedicated to bringing you the best in Google services and a truly personal experience on your smartphone. Moto X, the first smartphone from the new Motorola, is only available at Rogers. Your Moto X is ready to listen and respond. Talk to it and it learns your voice. With the power of Google Now, it tells you what you need to know, even when you're not touching the screen. Okay, Google Now, what's the forecast for today?
Today's forecast for Toronto is 25 degrees with a thunderstorm.
To use your Moto X, you only need your voice. Without touching it at all, you can get directions, set an alarm, or do nearly anything just by talking. Plus, with the speed of the Rogers LTE network, your responses will be delivered nearly instantly. Moto X's personalized experience also includes active updates. This means Moto X is always paying attention and ready to tell you what you need to know. Instead of a blinking light that doesn't actually tell you anything, information quietly appears on the screen. You decide if updates need to be addressed right away or if they can wait until later. Moto X can also launch the camera in a flash. No need to press a button or slide an icon. Just twist your wrist twice and it's ready to shoot. Once the camera is launched, start snapping photos by pressing anywhere on the touchscreen. No need to hold or press a shutter button or icon. Hold your finger on the screen to take several photos at once. The Moto X is coming to Rogers this August and is available in both black and white models. For more information, visit rogers.com/MotoX.